Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to Smart Technology, the segment where we dive into the fascinating world of agricultural innovation and explore its profound impact on food production. Today, we'll take an exciting journey through some of the latest tools and machinery designed not only to boost productivity, but also to optimize every step of the process, from planting to harvesting, and even packaging. First, let's take a look at soil thermal treatment. This innovative machine employs steam or other heat sources to sterilize the soil, effectively eliminating pathogens, nematodes, and other harmful organisms. By doing so, it creates an ideal soil environment for crops to thrive, ensuring healthy and abundant yields. Next, we have the Beet Harvester, a remarkable creation from Univerco, a Canadian company. This piece of machinery features vibrating blades that cut beets free from the soil. Afterward, conveyor belts efficiently clean off dirt and debris, leaving the harvested produce ready for processing. Compact yet highly efficient, here's the Mini Rice Harvester. This machine not only collects rice, but also creates neatly stacked piles of straw, simplifying the subsequent handling and processing steps. It's a game changer for smaller rice fields. For eco-friendly weed management, we present the Eco Multi-Row Weeding Machine. Equipped with rotating brushes, this tool clears weeds from the soil surface and can be adjusted to suit various types of crops. A sustainable solution to a perennial farming challenge. Returning to Univerco, here is the onion digger. This machine, towed behind a tractor, features cutting blades that separate onions from the soil. Conveyors then carry the onions upward, removing impurities before they are neatly placed in rows for collection. Creativity knows no bounds in agriculture. A resourceful farmer has crafted their own custom soil sterilizer, making it easier than ever to eradicate pathogens and weeds. This is a perfect example of innovation driven by necessity. Now for the fun part, the pumpkin harvester by Modi. Designed with care, this machine not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also handles the pumpkins gently to preserve their quality. Ideal for farms that focus on delivering pristine produce. Robotics has made its way into agriculture as well. This automatic broccoli harvesting robot, equipped with advanced sensors, ensures that vegetables are picked at their optimal ripeness. It's an innovation that reduces labor costs while maintaining quality and precision. Let's move indoors to witness a complete apple processing line, from loading apples into bins to packaging them. This modern conveyor system streamlines every step of the process, ensuring continuous, efficient production. But that's not all. Check out these other incredible machines: apple washing and sorting systems, automatic seedbed trenchers, and transplanting machines. There are even machines designed for delicate operations, like handling seedlings and cleaning aquatic products. Each piece of equipment is a testament to how advanced technology can improve efficiency and accuracy in agriculture. Finally, we have the impressive Commander 1 cabbage harvester, capable of harvesting up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour. Thanks to its high capacity, this machine has revolutionized the harvesting process for large-scale vegetable farms. These are just some of the amazing tools and devices shaping the future of agriculture. From compact machines designed for small gardens to large-scale systems for expansive farms, these innovations are paving the way for a more efficient and sustainable agricultural industry. Thank you for joining us today on Smart Technology. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of cutting-edge agricultural advancements. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries in the world of innovation. See you next time.